Right, here we go, folks. We're in the shed just now. That's Campbell there. We use air-fed welding hood. If you turn me around, look. I've got one as well. Air-fed welding hoods, because we're gonna want to put the, see up there, that is a plough. We've got to fit the plough onto the mount that he's made on the front of this quad here, and we've got to turn it into a snow plough because the driveways up here are absolutely fucking ridiculous. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Here's Campbell's CR there, look. It's a CRF 250, is it, Campbell? Yeah. That's it, Ian. Hey, Motorsports, if you see this, this is it, Ian, that we're having problems with the carb issues. But I can help to set the carb up properly on it. So if there's any bit of info that you could help us out with, fire it on, let us know. Cheers.